Hi smart people, we are in Mirador, La Coleccion. We just finished this beautiful, huge, glamorous project for a family of 5 people, and we are proud to present what we've done in this house.
The Mirador La Collection is one of the most beautiful area and villas. They are huge, they are well done, so the job has been relatively easy, but in my opinion we achieved something that we couldn't expect, and through a lot of extensions and a big job in terms of landscaping, but today we will be focused only on the inside. So let's move inside and let's see what has been done.
Starting with the material, I choose together with the client the entrance in this light travertine, a bit cold color in contrast with the wall that are more in warm color, because the full house has a mood of modern, traditional, art, contemporary, so I think it is the best entrance for the house. Main entrance door, charcoal color, we completely renovate. Let's come in.
What I love a lot is as well the taste of the client. The client has an amazing taste in terms of arts. We have arts everywhere, thanks to our design we gave to the villa. The living room and dining, it's all in one. Basically has been extended and make it double.
Floor, big slab from Italy. The brand is one of the best brands for tiles that we have in Italy. On the wall, we fix some molding in order to make a touch classic. Sofa in this mustard color that is very aggressive, very nice. And then the focal point, this beautiful, huge double ceiling wallpaper that really adds something. And have a look on the side, molding again. You can see there the balustra that is super nice.
It's a good combination about client taste and our design.
I'm here to welcome in this beautiful powder room. I still remember the moment that with the client we decide to go for this white and black mood. Those of course are tiles, white and black. All the rest of the wall, tiles, beautiful black, WC black, all the other accessories. Here beautiful small basin, vanity tailor-made, mixer from Magistro, is an Italian brand that really makes a difference in the market, and so I hope you love. I really like it.
The master bathroom, one from him, one from her, and so very comfortable. We close privacy to the WC area with this beautiful tile, and we create like a niche with a shower inside. Again with the same tiles that recall the WC area. Very simple, but in my opinion, very, very elegant.
We are going to the upper floor, the staircase, the color is so elegant. Have a look at the rail.
Kept like a classic style, in my opinion, very beautiful, and we refresh the steps.
Second floor, wood, really cozy. This is what we want for the second floor.
Basically, every single room has been extended towards the terrace, and in some cases been done completely new extensions. Now here is like a beautiful balcony on the living room, and what we discussed a lot with the client was if to keep this type of rail. Personally, I really push the client to keep the same rail, because glass nowadays, it reminds me a little bit like restaurants, hotels. It's nice seen everywhere, unless of course we don't have an extremely modern house, and that is a different story.
Come with me in the master bathroom, where actually, okay, of course here we have the walk-in closet, and then we access to the beautiful master bathroom. Immediately with the client we fell in love with this blue, very, very modern. These tiles you can appreciate better in the shower. A beautiful freestanding bathtub. The light hidden here on the niche of the bathtub, in all the niche of the WC. This beautiful floated glass vanity counter in the same blue of the tiles. The beauty doesn't come only with the tiles. There's small element that makes the difference.